Hello everyone, welcome into Exclude. Today in this video, we will explore include and exclude features in testng. These powerful options allow you to selectively run or skip specific test methods or groups, enhancing the flexibility and efficiency of your test execution. So let's begin. In this project, we have two classes. One is dashboard and second is login. In dashboard, we have two test cases. One is dashboard and second is sign up. In login class, we have two tests, sign in and sign out. Suppose you want that only your sign in test case execute and this sign out test case do not execute, and you want that only dashboard test case execute. Open the testng.xml. Inside the class, add methods. Inside the method, add exclude and enter name here. For example, you do not want that sign out test case execute. Copy this method name and add here. Same for second class. This is package name and dashboard is class name. Inside the class, add exclude methods and add exclude. Enter the method name sign up. In this scenario, sign up test case and sign out, these two test cases will not execute because we add exclude in testng.xml. Control S to save and run this script. Here you can view only login first test case execute and second dashboard open test case execute. And this sign out in one class test case is not execute and sign up test case is not execute. Now we will see the include method. Suppose you want that only this sign up test case execute, and in this login class you want that only sign out test case execute. Enter here include and sign out is method name and second sign up. Control S. In this scenario, this two test case will execute. One is sign out and second is sign up. Let's run this script. Here you can view these two test case execute. One is user has been log out, sign out test case, and second is sign up page open, sign up test case. Let's add one more test. Copy this and method name is profile. User profile. inside the login class, add, include, and name. Method name is profile. In this scenario, these two test cases will execute inside the login class. One is user has been signed out, and second test case is user profile. In dashboard class, only one test case execute, which is sign up test case. If you like this content, please subscribe to Exclude. Thanks for watching.